My name is Cedric Chivamba, technician and admin. I work for KDC1. KDC1, what we do actually is manufacturing companies. So we manufacture perfume, lotions, Johnson & Johnson, Victoria's Secret, Beyonce, all these kind of big names. And we are worldwide, right? So Canada, US, Mexico, Asia, France, Spain, everywhere. We're using ServiceDesk Plus. We started with that one in 2017, I think. We liked it, we loved it, and then we find out that there is also something to control the patches, desktop centrals. Now it's endpoints. The one I would recommend, the first one is going to be endpoints, especially for the patches. And we have about almost 6,000 users across the globe. And sometimes it's not easy to reach out to those computers and pull the patch on and install applications. So the best thing about endpoint is even the remote user when the computer is off, you can set up some configuration so whenever they come online on the VPN, application install, patch, computer patch, right? So that's one thing I like. And also the remote tool, you can connect remotely and you can actually run the commands as an administrator. You don't have to go and type in your password and username. So that's the first application I love. Overall, I would say A+. To me, it's A+. And of course, we get to a point we stuck. We're not sure what's going on because, of course, the application, there is a lot of new features. And reach out to support. The support is always within a few hours to reply to us. So that's something I love. They're not always going to give us the perfect solution, but at least they're going to work with us until we get to the right place we want to get, right? So I love it. It's not Microsoft, it's not anything else. It's different. I love it.